definitely plenty of area to injure yourself. You could literally just think you could walk onto that rock and then it's lights out. Beautiful waterfall, kind of two come into one almost. Pretty cool. Walk all the way up the stream. This isn't even really the waterfall. Coming from two different directions. All right, we're right here at the base. You can get so close. Water's pouring in, if you can even hear me. This is a really cool waterfall where both of these kind of come together at the same time, and this is just the last level of this one right here. Crazy, crazy, beautiful. Beautiful. It's all. Creek bed goes all the way down from where the two merge, and obviously they were that is really cool waterfall. Really cool. Look at this. As I said, it is somewhat of a steep climb to get out of here, but I think you could do it without the ropes, but the ropes will definitely make it easier. This is still Soco Falls, but like I said, this is the top part of the river. This is a smaller one. It feeds in, and then you can kind of see the taller one coming out from back there. A little bit more of a climb out because it's so steep. If you're not in shape like me, you're definitely going to feel the exertion and the windedness. Yeah, so if you're not in good shape a little bit, you probably might not want to maybe just look at it from the one observing deck or something. It would take a toll on really bad knees. It's really short, but it is intense. So you just got to keep that in mind. But there are places you could take a rest, but it is, it will test you. Mingo Falls. Looks like they got a ladder to the top. Let's see how far this thing goes. Going up might be difficult. Coming down, I guess, would be a little easier. Again, probably not for bad knees. All right, once you get up the stairs, it's not really that much. So if you can handle the stairs, you're good to go. Let's see. Oh, wow. Did you move over? Holy fuck. Yeah, it's hard to explain how tall that actually is. It's really cool. Yeah, I think that's where that other trail went. That upper trail goes to right there. Would bring you out right there.